There's lots of fun ways that we can practice in nature, such as using our breathing to steady and then focus our attention on just one thing. Maybe focus just on the sound for about a minute. Or focus on a stream that might be nearby. Or focus on maybe some living animal if you happen to see the birds or any others. I also love to focus on the trees and their leaves in the slight breeze. Relaxing and resting in nature allows our body to reset to the natural rhythms of the nature around us. It's a coherence that our body really enjoys. So it's also fun to be out with kids and make it a game like, hey, let's listen to the sounds for a minute and then we'll talk about it. Or let's go down and explore something and we'll really focus attention on something. And then we will talk about it and break it into little focusing attention games that you play. There's an infinite number out in nature.